In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hidden UTM fields to an Instapage form. If you're running ads or tracking links, UTM parameters help you understand exactly where your visitors are coming from and which campaigns are driving results. By capturing those values inside your form submissions, you can tie leads back to sources, mediums, and campaigns without making visitors do any extra work. Start by opening your Instapage page in the editor and click the form you want to capture UTMs on. That opens the Form Builder panel, where you control the fields and what gets sent with each submission. Nothing changes on the live page yet, you're just configuring what the form collects behind the scenes. In the Form Builder, click Add Field. You're adding a special kind of field that won't be visible to visitors but will travel with the form data. Choose single-line text as the field type. Single-line text is ideal because UTM values are short bits of text that live in the URL, like a campaign name or a traffic source. Next, set the field to hidden by using the normal or hidden toggle. When a field is hidden, it won't appear in the form layout or disrupt your design. Visitors won't see it or have to interact with it, but the value will still be included with the submission. This keeps your forms clean while preserving all the tracking detail you need. Now, name the hidden fields exactly for the UTM values you want to capture. Consistency here matters. Use the standard lowercase parameter names so they align with your tracking links and analytics. Common examples include UTM outsource, UTM medium, UTM campaign, UTM term, and UTM content. Create one hidden field per parameter you care about, and make sure each field's name matches the parameter name precisely, without spaces. Keeping names consistent across pages and campaigns makes reporting easier and reduces the risk of mismatched data. A few practical tips as you configure this. Keep the hidden fields lightweight. Only add the ones you actually plan to analyze. Stick to lowercase to avoid duplicates created by case differences. If you reuse this form on other pages, the hidden fields will carry over, which helps maintain a standard setup across your funnel. And remember, hidden fields don't change the appearance of your page, so you can place them confidently without affecting user experience. That's all you need to capture UTMs in your Instapage form. With these hidden fields in place, your submissions will include the tracking details you rely on to measure performance and optimize campaigns.